Hey guys, here is a 3-part exercise series to help you relieve any knee pain. Maybe it's associated with a torn meniscus or pain behind the knee or ACL, MCL. There's 3 main things you can do to release pain. Now understand, this isn't gonna help you fix anything, but you're gonna help relieve it. You need a rolled up towel of some sort, and this is gonna go behind your knee, way behind your knee. You're gonna hold it tight, and then you're gonna sit on it. I'll switch to the side with this thing, like this. Good, like this. And what this is a knee traction. And you're gonna sit back. And the reason knee traction is so helpful is because you've got gravity in your body weight and your freaking quarantine 15 in your stomach, those extra 15 pounds pushing down on your knee. This is helping you separate the upper leg bone, the lower leg bone, traction them. It's like a lever, like a seesaw. And it's gonna help you release some pressure in the knee. Now, number 2 is going to be some foam rolling. Now, foam rolling myself, I have it. What the hell's my foam roller? I've torn my meniscus, and foam rolling has helped me reduce some pain. And so you can try it for yourself. See if it helps you. So with the first muscle here, it's gonna be your IT band. Your IT band connects below the knee. It goes all the way up to the hip up here. Feel that hip, that bump right there. So what you can do is you wanna start it super low by the knee. Use your hands to support yourself. Let everything relax. Right, work that back and forth. Number 3, simply turn it over. And it's gonna be, oftentimes, knee pain comes from being too quad dominant. And most of your quad dominant, your hips are shifted forward. It's because of imbalances of muscles and an imbalance of your joints. But releasing the quad, it should help you with some temporary relief. The quad attaches from the top of your kneecap all the way up to the hip right here. So right at the top of the knee here, you can do 1 or 2 legs at a time. Let everything relax. Work it all the way down. Work side to side. Spend 5 minutes doing those 3. Stand up, test it out a little bit. Understand though, that's gonna give you some relief. That's not called fixing your shit. That's called stretching your shit.